Morning, and hope everybody had a great weekend, busy weekend out here in Central Oregon with the Pole Pedal Paddle. The Spoos are, opening all the way back here to 1138, 1140, and overnight you can see they traded down to 1120. Tested the lows from Friday, and tested that lows right around midnight, and then as soon as the Euro markets were opening, started creeping back up. So we're all the way back up here to 1140. The Euro, by the way, hit a new low of 122.35, and now it is up 165 pips all the way back to 124 on a 60-day chart, testing the 40-period moving average right here. So this area, 124 to 125, it has some maybe some more room to run, but it is, again, still a very sharp downtrend is still in play until it gets over, say, 127, 128. This thing is looking, and matter of fact, that area of 127 is going to have to go for the bulls to be back in charge here. The previous low was right around 125 and change, and we've got to get above that, close above that. So a number of levels still to beat there. Waiting here for the first half hour. Again, the 20-day high to the low here, 1216 to 1055. The 61.8 is still 1153. The 50% retrace is right here, 1134. So we're right between that 50 and 61 retrace. Kind of in that no man's zone right now. Neither bulls nor bears are in control here on the 20-day chart. They're just trying to figure it out. The downtrend is still in place as long as we stay below that 1154 on closes. We got above that one day and then flipped back over and made a higher low. So a lot of confusion reigns in this market. Short-term trades got to be put on at this point, and other than that, you got to be patient here. So that's it. We'll be back. Again, oil down another 52 cents, trading at 71.09 on the M contract. I'm looking at the CL. Gold all the way back down to 12.29 after getting up to 12.50. And also wanted to mention real quickly, lumber. Lumber has sold off pretty hard here. It hit a high. Matter of fact, we were talking about how lumber had broken out. Hit a high of 337. Just back at the end of April. It is now all the way went down to 254. So lumber is telling us that be wary of the housing recovery right now, because all items have been broken here after a huge run on lumber. We went all the way again up to 337 a board foot, and that was from 137 was the low back in early 08. And so more than 2.5 times the price there, and now we are back to double the move. So again, on a weekly chart, this is a perfect retracement, filling gaps here right around this 250 area. It probably will bounce around this area, but again, you got to be a little wary as lumber contracts are picking up here on the sell-off. Particularly, there's been a lot of action over the last 6 weeks or so in the lumber markets. Peace. Have a great trading day, and again, be careful out there. We'll talk to you later. Peace.